Who's this?
Congratulations, you're speaking to Donald Trump.
Oh, hello, Donald.
How are you, Hillary? I haven't seen you since my last wedding.
Well, I'm sure I'll see you at the next one.
Anyway, I just finished the GOP debate. As usual, I was fantastic. Everyone loved me. Now look, I know you're about to go out for your interview with Jimmy Fallon, but he's a total lightweight. So I'm going to do him a favor and interview you instead.
That's great. You know how much I love being interviewed. As long as you don't start talking over me when I'm trying to make a point.
Question
Donald.
one. You recently said, quote, Mr. Trump insults and dismisses women. But tell me, what would you do to help women in this country?
You know, Donald, I've spent my entire career fighting for women's rights. I'll push for equal pay in the workplace, for protecting women's health and reproductive rights, making quality, affordable child care a reality for families. That's what I believe in. That's what I'm fighting for. You know, I'm really curious, Donald. What is your stance on women's issues?
Look, I know a lot of women, and they all have issues. Next question. How do you plan to get your message across to the American people?
Well, look, Donald, it's a long campaign. I'm traveling across our great nation. I'm listening to people's stories. I'm confident Americans will see I can deliver for them, that they can count on me for them and their families.
See? You sound like a robot. Bleep, blorp, does not compute. You want to win? Here's what you got to do. First, yell. I yell all the time. In fact, this phone isn't even plugged in. I'm just yelling. And you're hearing me. Okay? Next, pick 3 things everyone loves and say you hate them. Watch. Puppies, stupid. Rainbows, total losers. Fall foliage, tree puberty. Are you writing all this down?
Hold on. Let me grab my pen. Okay, Donald, I got it.
All right. Next question, immigration. Wall or giant wall?
Come on, Donald. America was built by people who came here. They worked their hearts out for a better life. And that's what many immigrants are doing today. Their dream is to become American citizens. And, you're trying to stop them. I mean, do you have any idea what it's like to work so hard for something, to be so close to getting it, then someone pops out of nowhere and tries to take it all away?
Are you talking about Bernie Sanders? Look, I hate to say this, but I think he's losing his hair.
Well,
I hate to say it. He's a great guy. Fantastic.
Yeah,
I hate to say it.
Well,
he's losing his hair.
At least he doesn't have just one strand that he twirls over his head like a soft serve at Dairy Queen.
Toupee. I mean touche. Anyway, you're welcome for this interview. I just really helped your campaign. Your poll numbers are going to be fantastic. They're going to be big.
Don't you mean they're going to be huge?
That's right, they're going to be huge. Cue the music.